Hey, fifth graders, welcome to lesson 713, where today's question is how is dividing a decimal number like dividing a whole number? All right, for our review, I've got a couple of story problems for you. So give me a second, I will type those up and then you'll be ready to go. Here we go, boys and girls. Your problems are a farmer has 2,106 cows and 9 barns. If the farmer divides the cows into equal groups, how many cows will he put in each barn? And then your second problem is Brianna has $8. Her mother has $4,784. How many more times as much money does Brianna's mother have as Brianna? So why don't you take some time, solve these two problems. When you are done, restart the video and I will walk you through kind of what I came up with. All right, fifth graders, when we look at this problem, I'm going to do them the traditional way. Actually, you know what? I'll try and do one the partial product expanded notation. Okay, so we're going to take 2,106 cows and divide it into 9 barns. So you know what? To do this, I'm going to have to move this up a little bit. No, I can't move it up. I'm going to have to write smaller then, I guess. So the first thing I do, how many? I can't do it into 2, so I have to look at 21, and that's going to be 200. And then I'm going to 9 times 2 is 18 plus 2 zeros would be 1,800. So 0, 0, that's going to be 11, that's going to be 1. So 306. So then I have to figure out what that's going to be. Well, 30 is going to be 2, 36 is going to be 2, so it's going to have to be 30. So that's going to be 27, add a 0. Now I'm going to subtract 6. That's going to become, that's going to be 10. 36. How many? 9 into 36, that's going to be 4. So 36, subtract 0, 0. So I'm going to 200 plus 300 plus 4. So there's going to be 234 cows in each barn. All right, now let's look at Brianna and her mother. Brianna has $8. Her mother has $4,786. How many more times as much money does Brianna's mother have than Brianna? So again, we're going to be dividing here. We're going to take, let's go, I'm going to do digit by digit here. We're going to take $4,784, and we're going to divide that by 8. Okay. So first, how many 8s in 4? None. How many 8s in 47? Well, that's going to be 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Multiply, put answer on top. Multiply, put answer on bottom. Now I'm going to subtract 7, 0, and then I'm going to bring down the next number, which is the 8. Now, how many 8s in 78? Well, 8 times 10 is 80, so that's going to be too big, so it's going to be 8 times 9. Put answer on top. 8 times 9 is 72. Now I'm going to subtract. 8 less 2 is 6. 7 less 7 is 0. Bring down the 4. Okay. Now we ask how many 8s in 64. Well, 8 times 8 is 64. Put the answer on top. Multiply. Put the answer on the bottom, subtract, 0, 0. So she has 598 times the amount of money that Brianna has. All right, so that is video number 1 for 7-13. And stay tuned for the next one. All right.